Selling products with multiple variations like different sizes, flavors, and pricing tiers? Or want to make it super easy for your customers to pick what they want? In this video, I'll show you how to sell both physical and digital products with multiple variations in FluentCart, whether it's a coffee pack with different flavors or a digital license with lifetime and subscription plans. All right, let's do it. First of all, open your FluentCart dashboard and go to the products page. As you can see, all my store products are lined up nicely here. And here's the coffee pack, one of my best sellers. But I've got some new variations to try, so let's select this one and get started. Everything is perfectly organized and also customizable. Right now, the pricing is set to simple, which works perfectly fine for a single type product setup. To test how well FluentCart handles the product variations, let's change the pricing to a simple variation, and the payment term changes instantly. The previous product version is still there as a variation, and you can easily modify or duplicate it. So let's keep the variation title as it is. Since it's a physical product, the type is spot on. The payment term is just what you need for one-off purchases. Okay, next, I'll add the selling price and a comparison price to show that it's currently discounted. Okay, if you'd like to track your profits, you need to enable the profit calculation feature. So simply provide the cost you have spent to make the product, and FluentCart will automatically handle the math for you. To make your product stand out, you can upload images in seconds, even multiples if you need. All right, that's all set. I'll update the changes, and the first variation is set. Let's add another variation. Simply click on Add More, and a new section will slide open instantly to start adding the details. So just like before, give it a title and move to the payments. So set the price and, of course, add a compare price to highlight the deal. Then adjust your profit margin and upload a picture that showcases the product perfectly. All right. So that's all you need to create a flawless product variation plan in FluentCart. I'll just repeat the process to add a few more. So let's do it. And here you go. My product with variations is ready. Just to make sure you never run out of stock, FluentCart allows you to manage the inventory of any product you want. Turn on the inventory, adjust the stock level according to your supplies, and done. You can make it a part of any of your existing shipping classes for specific rates, or even add a new shipping class right from there effortlessly. Okay, so everything looks on point. So let's publish the product, pick a default variant to show on customers' first interaction, and save the changes to present it at its best. And time to explore the customer experience. Now, when a customer comes across this product, they can choose the variety they want and complete the checkout process smoothly. All right, now let's get back to a digital product. At the top, you'll notice a few handy quick access shortcuts. If you don't see the license settings, just go to the FluentCart settings, open features and add-ons, and turn it on. It's that simple. And by now, you already know how variations work, so I'll move a bit faster this time. Let's change the variation first. The product type is already set to digital, and the payment term is one time, perfect for lifetime deals. So I'll adjust the selling price and the comparison price. All right, now upload as many images as you want to make your product page stand out. I'll update the changes, and the lifetime deal is ready for customers. So next up, subscription plans. So let's click Add More, and a new section will slide open instantly to start adding the details. So just like before, give it a title. This time, the payment will be subscription, and see how the page updates automatically. So add your selling price and another comparable price to show customers they're getting a deal. So you can pick yearly, monthly, weekly, or even daily intervals. And if you want to offer a trial period, that's possible as well. So I'll go with the 7-day trial. And if you want to let customers pay in installments, that's also at your fingertips. There's also a setup fee option, but since this product doesn't require installation, I'll leave it as it is. All right, let's upload some images to make it stand out. It's way smooth. The subscription pricing plan is all set. Let's add another variation by following the same steps. And here you go. My digital product with lifetime deal and subscription tier is ready. Now, after a customer buys a plan, each variation needs to deliver the correct resources automatically. To set this up, let's turn on downloadable assets. Then upload the files you want to deliver. Once that's done, simply select which variation they belong to and hit save. So let's do that for the other plans as well. All right, that's it. Now, customers will automatically get access to the right files depending on the plan they choose. Next, move on to the license settings, which will help protect your digital products. So toggle it on, and FluentCart instantly opens a new panel for setup. According to the plans, let's set an activation limit for each variation. So here you can include a version number and a license key prefix as well. And the update field is already linked to your downloadable asset, so you never have to attach it twice. Then you have the description box to document version changes like new features or bug fixes or improvements. If you're selling a WordPress plugin, FluentCart gives you extra tools to manage updates and versions. So let's skip them for now and save the changes we've made. Okay, before wrapping things up, let's have a quick look at the upgrade paths. It allows customers to upgrade to a higher tier product or license, paying only what's needed. So click Add New and select the plans you want to link and add a discount for upgrades. So if you enable prorate, customers will receive credit for the unused portion of their old plan and pay only the difference for the new plan. Okay, so let's tick the box and save the changes. So with that, we are all set to make the digital product available for our customers. I'll just change the status to publish, choose a default variant, and hit update to complete the process. Okay. Now, let's check how customers will experience it. So whenever a customer visits your store, they'll see all the available plans or variations, choose the one they want, and complete the checkout seamlessly. And FluentCart will automatically deliver the correct downloadable asset and license key according to the plan purchased, and you don't have to manage each tier manually. No matter what you're selling, physical products like coffee boxes, digital guides, or software licenses, FluentCart makes managing variations and pricing effortless. You create them once and then let your customers choose, check out, and receive everything automatically. It's faster, smarter, and the future of e-commerce your store deserves. So why wait? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.